let's get gardening. All right. What is going on, everybody? Jesse and Raven here.
It's May.
It's May. We're in the garden. It's a new season, and things look a lot different here. We've taken. Oh, what does look different, Raven?
There's landscape fabric.
And why did we put the landscape fabric down?
Because we wanted it different.
We wanted it different. We wanted to make sure we're not weeding as much, right? Because weeding is the devil.
Yes. It's the devil.
It's the devil. Yeah. We wanted to do something a little different, so we definitely tried. And if you look behind me, we've done a lot. I've actually taken out quite a few of my garden boxes. We still have a few, 10 of the boxes here. Then we have 2, 3, 4. So I'm down to 14. I used to have 28 garden boxes, but this has opened up a lot of different opportunities for us. So we won't take away the garden boxes entirely, but it's pretty cool to be able to do things a little different. I really like the rows. I think it's going to be handy gardening. And I'll just I'm going to have Raven follow it, walk us through the garden, and maybe she can point out some of the stuff that we've planted. Yeah? Okay. All right. 1 second, guys. Okay. Now, Raven, what do we got going on here? We got cauliflower? We got a whole row of cauliflower? Or is that a mixed row? I think that one might be a mixed row of cauliflower and maybe some broccoli. Cabbages? Oh, the cabbages are further down. Well, these 2 rows that we got here, baby, are cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage.
Oh, yeah.
Let's walk all the way through it, because we got a lot of them, don't we? Come on, keep going. Okay. Keep going. Keep going.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower and cabbages and broccoli. You can't really tell the difference when they're real small, can you? They all look a little small, don't they? Okay, keep going. Keep going all the way down. All the way down. That's a cabbage. No, yeah, that's a cabbage. You got that one right. All right, let's go to this next set of rows over here. Now, we've got a lot of bricks and like wood laying down too. We're trying to keep everything, keep the fabric from flying away. So it's a little messy, but it'll work. What is that, Raven? What, the one that you're playing with? It's an I don't know. We'll pull the little tag out. This is something that we didn't grow.
Tomato.
No, I don't think that's a tomato. Let's see.
Pepper.
That is a habanero pepper. It's a hot pepper. All right, put it back in there. Yeah, we got a whole row of peppers, and right next to that are some determinate tomatoes. We'll just keep walking all the way down. Habaneros, yep. After that, I think we got some bell peppers. Bell peppers. That's right. And then we got, after those, we got some jalapenos. And we still got some more tomatoes.
Jalapenos are hot.
Yes, they are. Okay, let's go to the next row. Let's go to the next row, baby. Keep going. What do we got right here? What are these? What are those? You don't know. Zucchini.
Zucchini.
No, baby. We just got a zucchini here, a zucchini here. Look where I'm pointing. A zucchini here. And then we got a zucchini right here. Look where I'm pointing. Baby. Raven. Yeah. And then we got lots of tomatoes. Oh, God, lots of tomatoes. You don't have to say tomato every time, baby. Just keep pointing. Like, go all the way down. Go all the way down.
This is a tomato. We have lots of tomatoes.
Yep, go all the way down. We'll keep going.
Tomatoes, but my dad likes tomatoes.
I love tomatoes. They taste good.
My mom likes
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. And last year, my mom was picking our peas.
Our peas. Yes, she did. Let's go this way. Keep going. What do we got in this box over here? What's this box? What's that box? What do you think it is?
Golden.
How about beans?
Beans.
Those are bush beans.
Bush beans?
And these ones over here are radishes.
Radish!
Yep.
They feel spicy, but they're not.
Not spicy? No. Well, some of them can be spicy. All right, let's keep going. This is turning into a garden tour, isn't it? Let's go to this one, baby. Over here. Left. What do we got in these rows over here?
The water keeps destroying this.
Oh, he was messing with it, that's sure. Well, what do we got in this row right here? What I'm pointing at? No, this row right here. It's not nothing. That first row. Look where I'm pointing.
I don't know.
That's called Swiss chard.
Swiss chard.
I like Swiss chard. It's a good veggie. It's nice leafy green.
It's like leafy green.
What's the next row? Collard greens.
Collard greens. I love collard greens. I love to see them.
And what's the next row right here?
More collard greens?
Kale. Yep, they look a lot similar though. And what do we got back behind you? What is all that? 4 rows of 6. Tomatoes. That's right, tomatoes. Give me the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Tomatoes. And we got some extra tomatoes. We did a lot of seed starts this year. A lot of stuff came out of the garden, the greenhouse, didn't it? And then what's this over here?
Huh? I didn't know that.
Well, this is a Jerusalem artichoke. Can you say Jerusalem artichoke?
Jerusalem artichoke.
Cool. Now what do we got over here? Let's keep going. Where are my fingers pointing? Right here. What's all these rows? Well, it's a type of squash. These are all of our winter squashes.
Winter squash.
This is our
What, do you like the winter?
well, we harvest them before winter. Okay. Yeah, these are our butternut squashes and our spaghetti squashes. This is our first little pumpkin patch, and it's just big enough for, let's see here, 3, 6, 9, 12 plants.
Can we make a jack-o'-lantern now?
Oh, we've got jack-o'-lanterns planted, baby. We'll get some more. And then let's go over here. This is going to be our full-sized pumpkin patch. Go out right in the middle so we can get a reference on size, baby. It's pretty good size. It's, what's the 12 feet long by 36 feet, 12 feet wide by 36 feet long. Yep. All right, let's walk through the garden beds. Show everyone what we got for the garden beds. There we go. This one's not popped yet, but that is basil. What is that one?
Onions.
Onions. Okay.
I know it because I planted.
What's in this box? Do you know?
And flowers.
Flowers, and we got a celosia. And then over here, what is that? And what is this? It's a beet. That's chamomile. Yeah. That. Oh, Daddy doesn't even remember what that one is. I think that one might be some sort of flower. I forgot already. Keep going. What are these ones? These ones are Chinese forget-me-nots. They're flowers.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah?
You planted those. Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. Now, what's all these rows right here?
I don't know.
Bok choy. Oh, look at these ones. See these over here? They're flowering. They're pretty little flowers.
So pretty.
Let's see if I can get it zoomed in there. Yep, those are garlic chives, and they have very pretty little flowers, don't they? Smell one. Does it smell okay?
Smells like pollen.
Smells like pollen. What's right next to it? What's the big bunch over here where I'm pointing? What's that? If those are garlic chives, could those maybe be green onions? We use those in our stir fries. Those, I gotta get real close. Real close. You gotta zoom in. They're real tiny. Those are American flag leeks. And Dad put in a whole box of them because I love leeks. They're tasty. And then our flowers are dying. Well, we're trying. Every flower that dies, we just replace. And then what do we got here? Let's see. Zoom in as much as I possibly can.
It's a nothing plant?
Nothing plant. No, these are carrots. They're just starting to germinate and pop out.
I really love carrots, Dad.
I know. I love pulling carrots. That's one of my favorite things to pull out of the garden.
Dad, what about this row?
We've already done those. Those were tomatoes. Keep going on these boxes. You know what's in this one?
Flowers?
You are correct. There are flowers in there.
And there's something right here.
That's another flower that's already gone to seed. But if you look real close here, those are the baby beets. I did a full box of beets.
Are they cousins to radishes?
You know what? Let's go and say yeah. I'm not sure, but let's go with yeah.
They almost look like radishes.
Oh, here's an easy one. Here's an easy one. What's in here?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. How about lettuce? Lots of heading lettuces. Yep. And then what do we got there? That's basil, and then purple basil. Yep. And then lemongrass. And then this is celery. We got lots of celery for soups and stuff. If this one is lettuce, what's in the next box? What do you think?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Well, look at this one. Does it look similar to that one? What is, so it has to be the same thing, right?
Mhm.
So what is it?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. Okay. Next rocks. Next box. This one's a little bit of a variety. That's English thyme. We got English thyme. We've got dill.
I want it a lot because I like English thyme.
Well, I'm glad you do because it helps. Yeah, but we've got all sorts of herbs in there. This is our herb box. It's the closest one to our house, so we can go out and get herbs. We've got sage and dill and English thyme, tarragon, basil, lots of good stuff. Let's go over to the inside by the greenhouse.
Yeah,
and
we're going
let's
to the greenhouse, guys.
Oh, to the greenhouse.
Yeah, my dad built it.
Well, I'll give him the little look at the greenhouse, but I was going to look at the potatoes, Raven. Yeah, here's the greenhouse. May not look like much, but it planted everything that was out there. And I built that for under $50. What do we got there? Ooh, that's dill. Yep, we still got quite a few plants out in there. All right, let's go to the potatoes.
Me and my granny and dad did this.
Yep, we dug all the rows for the potatoes. We got, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows here.
Dad, a chicken.
I know, we had a chicken die. And then we got over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more rows.
5 or 5 equals 10.
Mm-hmm. All right, now let's go back over to the garden and let's go talk about it, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're back from our little tour that Raven tried to give us. Eventually, one day she'll know exactly what every plant is, but she's still young, so it's easy to get confused on some stuff. Cauliflower, that's right. It's just, I really like how this is turning out. It's, yeah, you got a boo-boo. I really like how this is turning out. I'm really enjoying the landscape fabric. It was pricey. It was almost $100 for a roll, but the roll covered a lot. We got a lot of our pumpkin patches done and the main portion of the garden, and we haven't had to weed anything. It's fantastic. We had to burn holes per plant, and I'm really hoping.
My Grammy was there.
Yep, Grammy helped burn the holes in too, didn't she?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to do a garden video with her.
Burn how to burn the holes.
Mm-hmm. Yep, she's our assistant gardener, just like you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I think she likes coming out here and helping. Do you like coming out and helping?
Yes.
Oh, I'm glad. And when we get all these plants going, are we going to do some harvests? And maybe do a video on that too.
Harvest?
Harvest?
Blew up my head.
Blew up your head. Yeah, I just wanted to get out and do a video. It's been a while since I've been able to do it because obviously we've been busy.
Green onions.
Yep, well, that's a leek. That's a
leek?
Yeah. We had a leek just come out of nowhere, and I'm just gonna leave it so we can sprout some seeds, and then we get free seeds, and then we can plant some more leeks in the garden.
Yeah, free seeds.
Free seeds. That's the best kind of seeds. All right, so I just wanted to have a little walkthrough of the garden and the landscape fabric, and just how it's turning out so far. The plants have only been in the ground for about 3 weeks so far, so they're still small, but everything seems to be thriving, and that's the important thing. It's all doing really well. And I think in about a month, when we do another video for walking through, I think this is going to look amazing. So until next time, happy gardening.
Pooey, pooey.